Picture yourself in the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.